Henan Taixing Grain and Oil Equipment Company Limited is a professional supplier that is committed to the development, design, distribution, installation, and testing of grain milling machines. We have the processing technology for wheat, maize, rice, coarse cereals processing, vegetable oil making and refining. Our products are exported all around the world, include Pakistan, India, Philippines, Indonesia, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Angola, South Africa, Nigeria, Chile, Brazil, Russia, Uzbekistan, etc. Our engineers have many years' experience of grain and oil processing. These engineers are expert in fields such as mechanical structure, processing technology, automated control, and production flow. Their dedication and ingenuity allow us to introduce new products while providing upgrades for existing lineups. Professional technical team and excellent product quality enable us to win more markets. We have successfully completed 280 domestic and international projects and received unanimous praise from customers. We supply turnkey projects that include processing technology solutions, factory design, installation and commissioning, operator training and after-sales services. Typical plant capacity range from 5 to 800 ton per day. To better serve our clients, our company not only invests in high-end manufacturing facility to improve product quality and manufacturing productivity, but also keeps on looking for international communication and cooperation. As a mature and responsible enterprise, we strive to provide customers everywhere with satisfying products and attentive services.